graders. I hope you guys are enjoying this time at home, but staying busy and getting your work done. My classroom is so lonely without you guys, and I really do miss you. I thought I would just do a really quick review on a few things I thought maybe you may be struggling with at home. And so first of all, we're gonna do some arithmetic and then your favorite, some language. So let's look right here now. This was on the back of your page for today, 12 over 33. And we had to reduce that fraction. Now remember, when we reduce a fraction, we think about what numbers will divide into both numbers without having a remainder. And we always go with the larger number. So with this one, the easiest way would be to think about what would go into 33 without having a remainder. And we know that there's not a lot of numbers that go into 33. So it would just be 1 times 33 or 3 times 11. So there we go. Let's think about 3. Can 3 go into 12? Yes, it can. So that is our number that we will be dividing by. So we take 12 divided by 3 and 33 divided by 3. And we get our answer of 12 divided by 3 is, I'm sure you said it at home, 4. And 33 divided by 3 is 11. And so our reduced fraction would be 4 over 11. Now, our next one, this is kind of a new concept where we're finding a fractional part of a number and then writing our remainder as a fraction. So remember, when we have 1/5 of 19, we would take the denominator and divide it into our whole number. So we would put 19 in the house and 5 on the outside. 5 goes into 19 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15, subtract and get 4. Now, when we write something as our remainder as a fraction, you take your remainder and that becomes your numerator, and then whatever your divisor is, that becomes your denominator. So my answer would be 3 and 4 over 5. Sometimes you guys like to forget that whole number, but that's just as important as your fraction. So it would be 3 and 4 over 5. Now, let's jump over here to our language, and we have a sentence here with adjectives, and we're going to learn how to diagram this. I know this was new for your lesson from yesterday. So the sentence says, the red apple fell from the tree. Well, we always know the first thing we do is we find our subject and our verb, and we split it, all right? So our subject, our verb here is fell. Who or what fell? Apple fell. So we would split it after what word? Apple, you got it. All right, and so then we're going to find our adjectives. All right, so look right here. What is describing the noun apple? Well, red is describing the word apple. What kind of apple? Red apple. And then remember those 3 special words that are always adjectives. They're so easy. We just have to remember them because we can always pick them out. And the. And so the is also describing apple. And so we take our diagram right here. We put our subject, which is apple, and our verb, which is fell. And then this is the new part. You will put your adjectives on those slanted lines, and you put them as they appear in the sentence. Since the word the is first, then you would put the and then red. And that is how you diagram adjectives. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll be here until lunchtime, and I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to checking all that work too. Have a great day. Bye.